Hi there, my name is Saxon and I'm from Wild Oak Trail. Today we're going to be unboxing the ClearBrook Water Filter. They've been manufacturing water filters for over 25 years. They've actually manufactured for other brands that you've heard of before. And this time they've got their own CB9 and I'm very excited. I'm sure you're familiar with other brands such as Alexapure and Berkey and any other gravity fed filter. These will be able to fit those as well. So if you're not able to find a replacement for the filters that you used to have, what's great is these are compatible with any gravity fed stainless steel filter. So we'll go ahead and unbox this. Comes shipped in a nice sturdy box. As always, there's going to be boxes within boxing. This is an additional charge, but we do have a stand, which is aesthetically pleasing stainless steel. What we ended up going with was the 3.25 gallon one. That's the box in the box, and then we've got our filters right here as well. Just going to move this to the side. We'll pull out our trusty Leatherman. I'll be making a follow-up video of how to actually install this, and then on top of, we'll go over some of the things in that video as well, of all the contaminants that it does remove up to. Oh, this is a very nice unboxing. So you'll see here, I've actually got a very nice cloth that protects it in the shipping. And if I remember correctly, this will be a system within the system. Got a nice rubber base, so you don't have to get the stand. The stand just really makes it easier for when you want to pour. We have a gravity fed system that we've been using that is almost identical to this. I think it's been going on almost 5 years now. And because we clean our filters often, we're able to still be on the original ones. You actually get 6,000 gallons of water per set of 2. So it's, yeah, it's pretty amazing. All right. Okay, so this is the lid. I'm very impressed with the shipping. Look at that. Like, you can see your face in that. And we'll go here. Just going to turn this around. Okay. And even in the inside, they put that cloth, you know, so they're really thinking about how do we minimize any scratches and dents while it's traveling, and I really like that. That's was a surprise. Feels like a white glove experience. And then inside here, this is the hardware for the lid. And then in here is going to be our spigot. So let me just unwrap that. Again, nice and wrapped. And you know, I remember seeing this, but I had forgotten, and what a nice surprise. You actually get a stainless steel spigot with the purchase of it. And so there is no, it just comes with it, which is really nice, a nice stainless steel spigot. Now I'll move over to unboxing the filters. Ours came with a set of 2. We've also got some clear instructions here, which is very nice. Just kind of show this here. So you'll get the instructions on them, how to install and prime them, and precautions and storage. So also just kind of how to store them when you're not using them. And then I'll just get so what's also nice about these, not only do they come in a nice box, properly wrapped, but we also got bubble wrap for when these are being shipped as well, because these are they are brittle. I mean, you don't have to be too worried about them, especially when you give them a good clean, but you definitely want to take care of them because, you know, they can chip if they're not shipped properly or stored properly. And so if you're familiar with other brands of gravity-fed filters. You're going to notice that it's a very similar shape and size, and it's actually a similar composite of what other brands are. So you can be assured that you have good quality water. Our previous filters, as I mentioned, we've been using for 5 years, and we are excited to be able to have a replacement. And my family of 4, my wife and I and our 2 young children, we drink out of our water filter daily. And so it's been nice to be able to have it last so long and now actually have a replacement filter for it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 844-945-3625. We're also available by chat at wildoaktrail.com. Look forward to seeing you there, and have a great day.